Hello friends, I welcome you all to this session on Python programming. So today what we'll be doing is we will be solving or writing a program to sum and do the product of digits present in a number. So is it very difficult? No, this is what we have done earlier. We have fetched all the digits. Now it's time to just sum them up. So if I'm having a number 1, 2, 3, 4 and I take this 4 out, then let's take one variable s and assign 0 to it. Then do what? Then where we were keeping previously this number, we were keeping this in r. Okay, so add this r. Now use float division to remove it. Then this will become r. Then add it. Then this will become r. Add it. Then this will become r. Add it. That's how we do the sum. And when it comes to products, let's p is the 1, then you have to make it 1. Why? You know it, because if I make it 0, then if I multiply anything by 0, it becomes 0. So what I have to do? I have to do repeated multiplication, in a sense that repeated in sense that whatsoever r will be coming, I'll be repeatedly multiplying by it. So first r will be 4, so it is 1 into 4, then this is 3, so 1 into 4 into 3, then 2, 1 into 4 into 3 into 2, and that's it, done. So in this way we can do the sum as well as product of digits. So let us head to the code, Jupyter Notebook, and write the code for it. So now this was the code which we developed previously. We will be copying the same code for printing the digits, and we will be working on this code. So we use modulo operator to get the remainder. Now that remainder, if we add successively, it becomes the sum. If we multiply, it becomes the product. So let's say s is assigned 0. So s is that particular variable where I will be summing up all the remainders. So s assigned s plus r. That's it. We have summed up all the terms inside that particular number. And for product, let's say first we have to define it. So let's say p assigned 1. We cannot say 0. Remember this. So then that is p then times r. Done. Nothing is left now. So what you have to do is you have to simply print the sum and product. So the sum is what? S, and let me copy this, and the product is nothing but p. So if you run this program, so let's take one number 1, 2, 3. So the sum will be 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6, and product will be 1 times 2 times 3, that is again 6. That's it. Take another number. Let's say 2, 1, 2, 3. So the sum will be 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6 plus 2, 8. Whereas the product is 2 times 1 is 2 times 2 is 4 times 3 is 12. So you should be getting the same thing. So in this way you can modify your original program for printing the digits to the program which will add up all the digits as well as multiply all the digits. That's it. So simple. So in this lecture, till this point only. In the next lecture, we will be working on some more problem. Thank you very much.